The tornadoes struck with terrifying speed, catching many off guard and leaving little time for preparation. One moment skies were clear and serene, giving no hint of the impending disaster. The next, the air was filled with debris, the roar of the wind deafening, as if nature itself had unleashed its fury. Across the southeastern United States, a series of deadly twisters tore through communities, leaving a trail of devastation in their wake. Entire neighborhoods were flattened, and the landscape was forever altered. Homes were reduced to rubble, businesses ripped apart, and lives lost in an instant. Families were left grieving, their lives changed forever by the sudden and violent storms. The storms, part of a larger severe weather system, slammed the region with unrelenting fury. Meteorologists had warned of severe weather, but the sheer intensity took everyone by surprise. Flash floods, hail, and high winds added to the chaos, creating a nightmare scenario for millions. Emergency services were stretched to their limits as they worked tirelessly to rescue those trapped and provide aid to the affected. The human cost of the disaster is staggering. At least 34 people have been confirmed dead across multiple states. Mississippi, with a reported 6 fatalities, bore the brunt of the storm's wrath. The path of destruction stretched far and wide, impacting Arkansas, Missouri, Oklahoma, and Texas. Beyond the immediate loss of life, the storm left thousands injured and countless more displaced from their homes. The tornadoes ripped through the power grid, leaving over 250,000 properties without electricity. Even as rescue workers struggle to reach those trapped in the aftermath of the devastating tornadoes, the community's resilience shines through. Emergency responders are working tirelessly, providing aid and comfort to those affected. Their efforts are nothing short of heroic, as they navigate through the debris and chaos to save lives, and communities begin the long process of rebuilding, picking up the pieces of their shattered lives. Volunteers and neighbors come together, showing incredible solidarity and strength. The road to recovery is long and arduous, but the spirit of unity and determination is palpable. The threat is far from over. Dark storm clouds loom on the horizon, a stark reminder of the unpredictable nature of weather. The ominous skies serve as a warning that the danger has not yet passed. Meteorologists warn of the potential for further severe weather, including more tornadoes in the coming days. Their forecasts are crucial, providing the public with the information they need to stay safe. The science behind these predictions is complex, but the message is clear: stay alert. Tornado watches remain in effect for a large swath of the South, from eastern Louisiana to the Florida Panhandle. These maps highlight the areas most at risk, helping residents understand the potential dangers they face. The National Weather Service cautions the conditions are ripe for more twisters, analyzing weather patterns to predict the likelihood of future storms. Their alerts are a lifeline for many, providing critical information that can save lives, urging residents to remain vigilant and prepared to seek shelter at a moment's notice. People are advised to have emergency plans in place, stay informed through reliable sources, and take immediate action when warnings are issued. The community's safety depends on their readiness and quick response. Section 4. Tornado Alley, a region under siege. The southeastern United States, particularly the area known as Tornado Alley, is tragically familiar with the destructive power of tornadoes. This region has seen countless homes reduced to rubble, lives upended, and communities forever changed by the sheer force of these natural disasters. This region's unique geography, where warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico collides with cold, dry air from the north, creates a volatile atmospheric cocktail. The Gulf's warm air rises and meets the descending cold air, setting the stage for severe weather conditions. This dynamic interaction is a key ingredient in the formation of tornadoes. This clash of air masses spawns supercell thunderstorms capable of producing the most violent tornadoes. These supercells are characterized by their rotating updrafts, which can lead to the development of tornadoes that carve destructive paths across the landscape. While scientists have made strides in predicting these storms, their unpredictable nature makes them a constant threat. Advanced radar and satellite technology have improved our ability to forecast and track these storms, but the exact timing and path of a tornado remain difficult to pinpoint. This unpredictability keeps residents and emergency services on high alert, always prepared for the worst. Section 5. Stories of Survival and Resilience. Amidst the devastation, stories of survival and resilience offer glimmers of hope. A young couple in Mississippi, taking shelter in their bathtub, rode out the storm as their home crumbled around them. A group of neighbors in Arkansas, banding together, pulled an elderly woman from the wreckage of her collapsed house. These acts of courage, compassion, and community spirit in the face of unimaginable loss are a testament to the human spirit's ability to endure.